Understanding JavaScript arrays. An array in JavaScript is a type of global object used to store multiple values in a single variable. It can hold any type of values such as numbers, strings, objects, even other arrays. Values in an array are accessed by their index number. Example of creating an array. Let fruits equals apple, cherry. Converting JavaScript arrays to string. JavaScript provides several methods to convert arrays to strings: join, toString, and JSON stringify. The toString method returns a string representing the specified array and its elements. The join method joins all array elements into a string and allows you to specify the separator. JSON.stringify method converts a JavaScript value to a JSON string, often used when sending data to a web server. Tips and tricks. The original array is not altered when using these methods. These methods may not work as expected if the array contains objects or arrays as elements. Common errors and how to avoid them. Remember that these methods do not change the original array. They return a new string. To keep the result, store it in a new variable. These methods may not work with nested arrays or arrays containing objects. Consider using a looping method to convert each element individually if your array contains such elements. Conclusion: converting arrays to strings in JavaScript is a common task that can be achieved in several ways. The best method depends on your specific needs and the structure of your array. Understanding how these methods work and being aware of common errors helps you use them effectively in your JavaScript projects.